We're on site in downtown Toronto. This is one of our projects we're doing right now. We're remodeling a whole house. We put our nose in, our tiles are installed, we grouted this tile. The kitchen is going to be all cabinets with quartz countertops. I'm going to show you quickly upstairs. Come on up. So we've basically tiled right now 12 by 24 porcelain, and over here we have temporary equipment, our treads, so we can go up. These are mono-stringer steps. Engineered hardwood is going to go in this area, and then we also are replacing this door because it was wearing out, it was old, so we're putting a new one. And upstairs we did a major renovation. We are doing bathrooms, we're doing flooring, painting. We put on the pot lights here already. First coat of paint's already been installed, and that's about it for now. This is one of the engineered hardware that we just installed. This is 7-inch wide engineered, natural looking. It's got a lot of variation in it, and it's natural, and the homeowner loves it. And we laid it out into the hallway, going into this room. We've installed the trims, the hardwood. This is a laundry room. We got one of some laundry sinks from Costco. These are amazing. I recommend getting one of these. It comes with a faucet. We've laid new tiles, and the laundry is ready to be installed. We also did a bathroom remodeling in this washroom. We put in a tub, we put tiles on the walls, and we also built a shower here. So the shower on this side, we had to gain space from the closet, which was in the other room, and we built a shower. Turn it into a master ensuite.